expert, and they both join us tonight. Good to see you both. Courtney, is this case dead?
You know, Rob, thanks for having me tonight. I think it is dead. This ruling was amazing for us in Georgia. It just goes to show that Georgia, we are not going to put up with the political weaponization of the rule of law. We're not going to allow prosecutors to indict and continue to needlessly prosecute former presidents for political and personal gain. That's not going to happen here. The Court of Appeals basically said here, removal from the case, like you said, it's the only remedy in this position. So what happens next is that Fani's office filed a notice of appeal earlier today, and so they have 20 days to file their petition for cert. Supreme Court of Georgia will decide if they are going to hear that case or not. If they do, I think that they are going to affirm the ruling of the Court of Appeals here. Yeah. And if they don't, then the Prosecuting Attorneys Council will pick that up. And based on the former actions of them with Burt Jones, I think that they will dismiss this case based on judicial economy. It's a useless case, and it's obviously a clear weaponization of the rule of law here.
And that would be the end of, I think, the legal troubles for Trump. I think they would all end at that point. They would be over. Mike, the entire case hinged on the idea that Trump and the electors tried to steal this election by having these false electors, they call them, which are really alternate electors, because he was appealing what happened in the election. And if he appealed it and those electors hadn't been put in place, it wouldn't have mattered. So the fact that this was ever brought in the first place was just another great example of how delusional these people became over getting Trump and the lengths they were willing to go to try and imprison the man that's going to be the president in a month.
That's exactly right. And fortunately, starting on January 20th at noon, I hope the Trump 47 Justice Department opens a criminal probe on all of these Democrat prosecutors and agents and lawyers and other operatives who ran this unprecedented lawfare and election interference. That seems like a very clear violation of 18 USC Section 241, conspiracy against rights. So I would say to Fani and her dumb, unqualified boyfriend, lawyer up.
Lawyer up. Courtney Kramer, Mike Davis, we appreciate it. Whatever the hell just happened on Capitol Hill, it took all the time, but it's good to see you both. Thank you.
Thank you.